If you have an AC, there's this one particular mode I know you have never used before. I'm not even going to lie about it. I can't even blame you because you don't even know what to use that mode for. The mode is dry mode. What the dry mode does is to extract excess moisture in the air, giving you a cool, pleasant atmosphere. And this excess moisture is called humidity. When there's excess humidity in your room, you are going to notice the growth of mold on your furniture, your walls, and then your ceiling. And you would also notice a discoloration, a patchy discoloration on your sofa, and it will start to smell. If you have excess humidity in your room because of your air conditioner, it might be because of any of these reasons. 1, the air conditioner you installed is bigger than the size of the room. 2, the atmosphere outside is extra humid. And 3, probably your condenser pipes are dirty. Now that you know the effects of humidity in your room, this is how to use the dry mode to eliminate it. On your AC remote, press on the mode button until you get to dry. Adjust the fan speed to the maximum level and allow it to run for about 1 or 2 hours. Do this frequently to help you eliminate the excess moisture in your room. Now that you know how the dry mode works, I hope you would be using it because it is very, very essential for you in your air conditioner. And don't forget to contact us to get your Comfy Inverter air conditioner starters. Comfy is how I feel.